Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Grab yourself a flexible putty knife and a whole lot of patience to remove these vintage tank badges.
Because I really don't want to break these. These are not cheap. The emblems are pure freaking gold. Just kind of going really slow. It's starting to separate itself just a little bit from the tank. Almost feels like there's a little bit of an adhesive or something holding this on there, and there technically shouldn't be. It should just pop. And the Honda one should be the same way. Yeah, I can feel the tag. You can feel it when you push in the putty knife. And usually when they go, they just kind of go. It is slowly moving its way out of here. But under here, there does feel to be like a little bit of an adhesive. We'll end up repainting these. Or cleaning them up at least. There we go. Ooh, that was a good pop. That moved. It's got to go slow, guys. You do not want to break these. Here, I'm kind of looking at it down from the side. There's the sound. That's the sound you're kind of looking for. There, I got one of them. All right, so there's just one on the top, and then there's one down on the bottom. This is a little different than my 70. They redesigned this, I think, just a little bit. Oh, come on. See if we can go 4 for 4 and getting these bad boys off of here. Again, I'm just being real slow. Take it slow. This is going to cost you $40 if you mess this up. Bam. There we go. We got the Honda wing. She has a little bit of a kind of a straightening out of, because it looks like it did get hit here, but how cool is that?
And there you go. It's that easy. A really flexible putty knife and some patience. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next live stream or video.